Okay, I'm going to do an unboxing of Ride the Rage NRC. This is for a 2022 BMW S1000RR, but I own a 2023 and I'm going to see if I can make the 2022 one work. I like it better. So here goes the taillight version. This is looks pretty decent. You know, it's kind of looks kind of cheaply made. You know, it's kind of hollow metal with some little foam there, which is this foam's just going to collect dirt and debris over time. This NRC New Rage Cycles. This is like it looks like it's laser etched in there. Looks pretty good. Would last a while. And then you got your bag of hardware. Doesn't look like I have any instruction manual, so when I go to install, I will make a separate video going over how I got the 2022 to work for the 2023. I have a TST Industries taillight eliminator, which the bolts line up with this one exactly, the outer bolts. So I am assuming that this will work. It will be set down a little ways comparative to the eliminator because of the thickness of this. But overall packaging is fairly nice. You know, this is great packaging. I give it a 9, 10, you know, really good. Product, I give it about 7.5, 8. Again, it just feels kind of cheaply made. You know, the wires look pretty decent. You know, they took some time, but that again doesn't, you know, we'll see. We'll see how the lights are. I'm actually going to use a TST Industries uh, plate that will end up mounting in these two holes. I hope these holes are the exact size. I'm almost sure they are. So we're going to see about that. And if not, I'll just end up using this one here. Um, but again, that'll be for another video. Overall, looks like a good product. I can't wait to see what it looks like on the bike.